Hi guys, in this video I would like to show us how we can add payment method on Bybit. First of all, you open your Bybit application on your phone, open Bybit, and then you can check the icon, the options here. If you see the P2P trading here, click on P2P. If you don't see it on the home page, you can click on more here. It will bring it on the more section here. As you can see, P2P trading. Once you get to P2P trading, then you click on the profile icon down below here. Once you click on the profile, then you see the option that says payment method. Click on payment method, and then you can see the option that says add a payment method here. Once you click on add a payment method here, it will ask you to provide this information. It will ask you for your name, your bank account number, bank branch, bank name. Then once you provide these details, then you can click on confirm. Once you click on confirm, your payment method will be added successfully. If you enjoyed this video, kindly subscribe to the channel and hit the notification button so you can be notified when I post my next video. Thank you.